US indices, whether be it the S&P, Nasdaq, or Dow, all the three traded with modest bearishness throughout the day, though with little swing. So, what to expect now with the US session? Can we expect this bearishness to prevail here? Can we expect a drop like Monday, or it is just the bottoming done, and we can expect a reversal and a rally with the US session today? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into S&P 500 followed with Nasdaq in the Dow watch list. What's happening with S&P? Double top 6050 higher lows, and this is a squeeze here which it needs to come out of, and once it comes out of this squeeze it is going to show you a stronger momentum. Now it is very important for S&P to trade below 6080 levels in order to confirm the dip here, 5980 levels in order to confirm the dip here towards 5960, and that is the level which will confirm another round of drop towards 5920. Right now it is a zone of consolidation. Right now hitting the bottom, it is trying to reverse, and now if you see it is staying above 603032, you can expect a round of rise, but the most important part is the rise beyond 6042 and 6050 levels. If these two levels are taken, you have to just stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is willing to cross over for a buy. RSI rising here, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. See, a series of bullish candles, series of bearish candles, again trying to bounce back. It appears it may try to confine its movement within the box here and let it break beyond the box, which will confirm a further move on the upside. Or yes, if it breaks on the downside, that will confirm a breakout here on the downside as well. But I will say you have to wait. You have to wait for it to come out of this box. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is still in green. RSI flat on the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is similar. See, preceding candles comes with lower highs, lower lows. This candle trying to break out. And yes, if you see it is staying above 6022, you can expect a rise towards 603032 and then 604042. And a breakout towards 6050 is a clear sign of reversal and a rally here. Though right now I will say it is yet not confirming the reversal rally. It is just staying in the box. So wait for a breakout. Stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD rising, RSI flat. On the 4, the observation is similar. Also notice what the preceding two candles have done. These have achieved higher highs. This means that at least till 602022 you have not to initiate a buying entry, and even if you stay with the buys above 602022, you have to be very careful at least till towards 6050 levels. The prices can reverse any point of time soon. And what has happened with the preceding two candles? See, higher highs, lower lows, so it can show you swings, and thus now once you see it is staying below 6004, you can initiate another selling entry which can take it towards 599294 as the first, and then 5980. Stochastic looking down, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to now, see on the daily charts, look at the preceding two candles comes with almost a flat top here, and this confirms that there are going to be critical resistance at 604042 and 6050, and if these two levels are taken, you can expect a round of rise. What is happening today? It has started with lower highs. This suggests that there is a possibility of a move towards 5980, in fact 5960. And yes, this also confirms that once it trades below 5960, you can expect a move which can in fact take it towards the double bottom levels close to 5920. But right now I can say that the strong bearish momentum is missing, though it is trading with moderate bearishness, but I can say that the acceleration is missing here on the downside. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossing over here confirms that there could be a possibility of a closer of candle in red today. This is something you should watch out. RSI flat. So looking at this, you can buy here at 6022, but then expect 603032 first, 604042 second, and 6050 the third. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for all the way towards 6065, 6085, and 6100, the next targets. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 6004. Expect 599492 as the first target zone, 598480 as the second, and once it trades below 5980, stay short for 5964, 5950, and then 5932, 5920 levels here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. And before we move to Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a self-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the US 100 here, highs, rise, retracement. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Yes, it is trying to create a moderately bullish channel. It is very, very important for US 100 to trade below 21,300 and 21,200 zone. That will confirm the bearishness here. Else, as long as 21,300, 21,200 levels are respected, you should be careful with the sells here on the downside. Stochastic rising, the MACD right now bearish, the RSI running flat. On the 2 hour charts, the observation appears to be same. See, after this stronger rise, it is retraced and it has come towards the same zone from where this candle has started, and yet with the slightly higher lows. Yes, the strongest resistance on the upside towards 21,540 and 600. These are going to play an important role today. As long as 600 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys, though you can notice here higher lows and higher highs are there. And see, this could be an inclined double bottom as well, and thus you have to wait for it to trade below 21,300, which will confirm the further downside here. Stochastic rising, MACD here crossing over for sell, RSI rising. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, you have to just wait for it to now trade beyond 21,460, and then you can expect 21,510, 540, and then in fact 21,580, 600 as the next target. So stochastic at bottom, it is oversold, MACD in green trying to cross over for sell, RSI flat. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here, wait for it to deliver a breakout. See, right now what I can see here is the lower highs, and thus it is very, very important for it to now trade beyond 21,460. That will be the confirmation of reversal here, and thus that is the only point above which I will recommend you to buy, as there is a stronger possibility that it may, and then it may possibly erase the gains from this candle moving towards 21,300. So at least till 21,440, 460, you have to be careful with the buys. Stochastic looking down, MACD in green, RSI flat. Coming to daily charts, similar observations. See, notice the point here, the preceding two candles comes with higher highs, and the important point is the death cross it is formed here. So I will wait for it to break on the upside beyond 21,500. That will confirm the reversal, and specifically any move beyond 21,540 will increase the bullishness, and then 21,600 to be seen, which is going to remain a greater milestone today. Though what I am looking here is the lower highs, so higher lows, it can consolidate it, it can stay within the zone 21,200 to 21,500. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 21,460, expect 21,500, 510 as the first target zone, 540, 550 as the second, and then 580, 600. If it trades about 21,600, stay bullish for 21,660, 710, and then 21,800 levels. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 21,300, 72 levels, expected to move towards 21,340, 320 as the first target zone, 21,283, 290 as the second target zone, and then below this 21,200, 220 should be seen very, very soon. Below 21,200, 220, stay short, and this could lead to a stronger price correction towards 21,100 and 21,000 levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US 30 on the hourly charts clearly showing a bit of resistance and resilience here on the upside towards 44,600. What has happened? We have seen a move towards 44,400, and again it has attempted to move towards 44,600, failing to break. Let's see which direction it takes. Any drop below 44,400, 380 is a clear sign of more bearishness, and then remember, till 44,300 and 44,200, the two strong support, you should not be treating US 30 as bearish here. Till 44,200, be cautious with the sells, though it is possible that it can move towards those levels. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge, RSI comfortable. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation here, drop retracement, and now once it breaks out beyond 44,600, you can expect another round of rise, and specifically beyond 44,700 is where the bulls will be taking over. Right now this is consolidating here between the zone, and specifically between 44,600 to 400, you have to take extra caution. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD green, RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, the observation is similar here. Consolidation going on. Wait for it to break out. If you see it is staying above 44,600, stay bullish for 44,660, 720, 800. Stochastic comfortable. MACD rising, RSI flat. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation. Notice what is happening after the drop retracement. Then again, three bearish candles again trying to bounce back, but it is not yet breached the resistance on the upside. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD trading with little divergence, little bullishness, and see this crossover is coming after a good round of drop. So let's wait which direction it takes. As of now, it is appearing to be trading bullish. Now coming to the daily, on the daily charts, remember yesterday was a red candle, and see what it has done. It has tried to trade with moderate bearishness. Now today it has already achieved lower highs, and there is a possibility for either for Dow to move towards higher lows, which means 44,300, and any drop below 44,200 is a clear sign of an attempt by US30 to move towards 43,800. The possibility exists. See the crossover, despite is on the buy side, I can see there is a possibility that it can show you a dip here. So as long as now today it stays below 44,600, you have to cautious with the sells here. Stochastic rising or buys here. Yes, still 44,600. Do not treat this as bullish. MACD trying to cross over for sale. RSI flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend is that I'll recommend a buy at 44,550. Expect 44,600, 660. 710 and then 44,800. Beyond 44,800, just close your eyes. Stay bullish. It is 45k. I do not see that happening though. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 44 460 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 44 400, 44 300, 320, and then 44 200, 220. If at any point of time USD trades below 44 200, 220, close your eyes, stay short, and we can look forward to more bearishness. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Thank you.